In the peaceful town of Riverbend, where tall oak trees whispered in the morning breeze, lived a young boy named Noah. Noah was cheerful and full of energy, always ready to run, laugh, and explore. But sometimes, when things did not go as he hoped, his heart would start to beat faster. His hands would squeeze tight, and his voice would grow louder than he meant it to. Noah did not like that feeling. It felt like a thundercloud sitting right inside his chest. He wished he knew how to quiet that storm before it grew too loud. That afternoon, Noah sat on the living room floor, building the tallest block tower he had ever made. He placed each block slowly and carefully, his tongue peeking out just a little as he focused. Higher and higher it grew, almost reaching his chin. But just as he reached for one more block, his elbow bumped the tower. The tower wobbled once, twice, and then came crashing down. In an instant, the storm inside his chest began to rumble again. His hands curled tight, and he felt like shouting at the blocks on the floor. Noah's chest felt tight, and the angry words were almost ready to jump out. He opened his mouth to yell, but then he remembered something important. Last week, his grandfather had told him, when anger comes, take a slow breath before you speak. Noah closed his eyes tightly, trying to hold the storm still. He breathed in slowly, filling his lungs like a big balloon. Then he let the air out, very, very slowly. The storm inside him did not disappear at once, but it was quieter now. Noah opened his eyes and looked at the blocks scattered all around him. A few minutes ago, he would have kicked the blocks away. But now, he pressed his hands flat against the floor and stayed still. He counted quietly in his mind, 1, 2, 3. The storm inside him felt smaller, like a tiny cloud drifting away. Slowly, Noah reached for a blue block and picked it up. This time, he decided to build again, not with anger, but with patience. Noah placed one block on top of another, moving slower than before. His hands were steady now, not tight and shaky like before. He paused after each block, taking a small breath before adding the next one. The tower began to grow again, this time stronger and straighter. Noah smiled softly, realizing something important. Being calm did not make him weak, it made him wise. And for the first time that day, the storm inside him was completely quiet. The sun began to sink lower in the sky, painting the room in soft golden light. Noah looked at his tower and then at his hands. These were the same hands that almost knocked everything away. But today, they chose to build instead. Noah felt taller inside, even though he had not grown an inch. He had discovered a quiet power hidden deep inside his heart. And he learned that controlling anger does not mean hiding it, it means choosing calm, even when the storm tries to rise.